Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my favorite summer handbags. I've been probably slacking and I haven't created videos in a really long time, and I've really wanted to create this one. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you do, you'll probably see all of my handbags are pretty much wear what I like, or I wear what I've been loving for that time. So right now, and beside me or behind me, I have my favorite summer bags that are full of color, as you can see. So I kind of wanted to just share them with you. Again, I don't really share every single bag that I get with you guys on here, but I wanted to share like a lump sum of everything recently that I've been loving. So let's get into it. The first one, actually, this is probably my newest bag. It is a Fendi baguette kind of style bag. It is an older bag, and I did buy it pre-loved off Poshmark, and I absolutely love it. I was in the market for, really wanted something silver, because I feel like silver, white, I feel like it's so awesome for summer. And I came across this one, and I fell in love with it. It is tiny. It's like a mini style bag. And you can wear it on your shoulder like that, which I haven't worn it that way, but I did add a chain. So I've started wearing it more crossbody. So I added this long chain, and I also added a short chain here. So just in case, you can take this one off, or I can tuck it in and I wanted to wear just a chain, the two chains. But for now, I attached the one that came with it again, and kind of wear it on my arm like this. Looks awkward like that. But this is what I've been using lately. I really love it. It is small, but again, I don't carry that many things around with me, so I don't mind small bags. You can see behind me, I have a couple different bags that are really small, but again, I'll show you what I carry in it. And since this one is the one I'm using, I will show you kind of what's in my bag, my Fendi bag, right now, I guess. Might as well, right? Another piece that I recently picked up was this key holder, this Louis Vuitton key holder. It's a 4-ring. My car key actually does not fit. So keep in mind, if you guys are in the market for a car key holder, these pieces that are your car fobs, they don't really fit in a 4. I think they fit better in a 6, but they don't fit in a 4. So you can just kind of keep it out like that. I've been obsessed with this limited edition. I never picked it up when it was, out, of course, years ago. But I found it on a pre-loved site for a good price, and I really love it. So I'm happy I got that. Another thing, I'll keep my bag here. You guys have all seen my Target purchase. This is a little card case. I picked it up at Target. It has a pouch here, and then it has a zip here. I know you guys are really interested in this. I haven't seen it on Target, but if it's still available, I'll link it below for you guys. And what else do I carry? Of course, my phone. And for the most part, that's really all I carry. So as you can see, I can put all of that stuff in very small bags. So that's bag number 1. The second bag that I wanted to talk about was this Dior clutch. Now, this is, you can't buy this off Dior handbags. This is a cosmetic pouch. This opened up like this, and it used to have a set of lipsticks in it for Christmas. It was a Christmas set. So my friend gave this to me for Christmas, and then I also saw that you could use this as a clutch. So I think it's really, I thought it was such a fun idea that you could use this after using your lipsticks. You could take all the lipsticks out and then use it as a handbag, which was, of course, right up my alley. But then I saw people making it into a waist pouch, attaching pieces here. I'll also link that girl's video below. Her name is Tabby Violet, I believe. She gave me an idea of doing that, but I also didn't want to ruin the clutch, just in case I wanted to take it to a wedding or use it a different way. I found a different way of using it as a side pouch. This is just a thin black belt that I had in my closet. And at the top here, just in case if you do have this bag, I'm just going to show you how you can add a belt. There's this piece here where you can just attach a belt, pretty much. And there you go. Then you can kind of wear it and attach it to your waist, like so. I will add pictures of me wearing it, I guess via Instagram. So that is bag number 2 that I've been kind of into. I love that. I love the idea of having something so small. And again, I literally fit my phone and my wallet in there, and I'm good to go. That's all I really need to carry around. What else? You guys seen this because I've added this bag I showed you quickly in my handbag collection, which I'll also link for you guys. I love this color for summer. It's to me, I feel like it's such a neutral pink because it's so light. It has a really cute top handle, which I love, which I think I carry it more by the top handle, but it does come with a chain strap that you can wear crossbody. This is an older style, so the newer styles of these Furla bags aren't really triangle-esque shape. They're a little bit more square, and I don't think they have a top handle. I just kind of lucked out with this one. I really love this one. If I find something similar, I'll link it below for you guys. Another really awesome color. Look at this color. This is a bag from Teddy Blake, which I'm sure you guys have all seen and heard about on YouTube. But I really wanted to see what the hype was all about. And I can tell you right now that the quality, the leather, the service, the style of handbags are just incredible. And I have my eye on 2 more styles that I really want, probably for fall. But I really, really fell in love with this color. This is, I believe, the Eva 11-inch bag. It is in the soft blue leather. And it's just so beautiful. I mean, obviously, you know that this resembles the Hermes bag, the Hermes Kelly. Oh, and I have a bunch of crap in here. Oh, that's where my lipstick was. Got a lipstick. I got a bunch of stuff in here. Does anybody else carry these kind of brushes around with them, just in case your hair gets all naughty? Inside it has 2 pockets here on the bottom here, which are great because you can put your cell phone or your wallet, just in case it'll be easy access. And then there's this big, I don't know if you can see that, big zip pocket here, which actually I have the strap. So this also comes with, so you can wear this a couple different ways. You can totally wear it open like a lot of people do. My husband thinks it's ridiculous that I wear it open. I try to tell him it's like the cool style. He won't even walk down the block with me if my bag is open. It just doesn't work. You could wear it open like this. Let me fix this. You can wear it open with these like pieces hanging, which is cute, or you can completely pull them aside and close the bag with them attached, which I believe is the idea of the bag, like that, which is really cute too. It's a little bit more proper and a little bit more like buttoned up, but it's so pretty. And again, you have, where do the straps go? I'm assuming the straps attached to the top. You can attach the straps this way and wear it on crossbody if you want to, which I usually don't. All right, one more bag, then I'll let you go. The other bag also is by Teddy Blake. It is one of their newest styles. It's called the Elisa, or the Elisa bucket bag, and I've always kind of loved the idea of having a bucket bag. It's just a big giant hole of nothingness, which reminded me of why I used to love carrying my Louis Vuitton Speedy around all the time, because you can carry so much stuff in there and you kind of get lost of all the crap that you carry. So I don't know if that's a pro or a con, but for me it depends on the day and the style. But if you are in the market for something that does hold a lot, the bucket bags are great. And now I wanted something for summer, so I found this beautiful like orange color. I think it's so stunning. It is suede and it's amazing. The quality and craftsmanship of just Teddy Blake bags in general are totally worth the price. Like, this bag maybe retails for maybe $300, and you are getting every single penny in that $300. It comes with an attachment that attaches this little pouch into the bag, But I don't really use that. I use my own kind of pouches. But again, it's an extra little added detail. Inside, it is all lined in light orange leather. And yeah, it's just so beautiful. Again, I will add a picture of me wearing this bag. I absolutely love it. And I try to wear that one as much as I can. It's such a bright color that it's really hard to match outfits because you want to wear something, well, me personally, I want to wear something that's a little bit more neutral. So those are my handbags that I've been loving all summer. Let me know with a comment down below which one and styles are your favorite. Let me know if you guys picked up anything new. I would love to check out your handbag collection or what you guys have been loving for summer. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.